Learn and speak English BD. Listen, tell, practice. Listen to learn, tell to remember, practice to master.
Good morning, dear. It's time to wake up.
Good morning, Mom.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. I feel great today.
Wonderful. Let's stretch our bodies and start the day with energy.
Okay, Mom. Stretching feels good.
Now let's brush our teeth and wash our faces.
I like having clean teeth.
That's important. Healthy teeth help us stay healthy.
I brush my teeth every morning and night.
Excellent habit.
Mom, what are you cooking?
I'm preparing breakfast for us.
It smells delicious.
Thank you. Would you like to help me?
Yes, I love helping in the kitchen.
Breakfast is ready.
Yay, I'm hungry.
Please come to the table.
I'm coming right now.
Let's enjoy our meal together.
Thank you for the tasty breakfast, Mom.
After eating, we should wash the dishes.
Can I help?
Of course. Teamwork makes the work easier.
I'll rinse the plates.
Great job. The floor looks dusty.
Let's clean it.
Can you sweep this side?
Sure, Mom.
Thank you for helping keep our home clean.
You're welcome.
The plants need water.
I love watering them.
Plants need sunlight and water to grow.
Look, the flowers are beautiful.
Yes, they are growing very well.
What are we having for lunch?
I'm cutting vegetables and preparing lunch.
Can I wash the vegetables?
That's a good idea.
I want to learn cooking.
I'll teach you step by step. We've worked hard this morning.
I am a little tired.
Let's sit down and take a short rest.
That sounds nice.
Rest helps our bodies recover.
I feel relaxed now.
We need some groceries.
Can I come with you?
Of course.
I like going to the market.
We need fruits and vegetables.
I'll help carry the bags.
Let's put the groceries away.
Where should I put the apples?
Put them in the fruit basket.
Okay,
Thank you for being helpful.
I enjoy helping you.
Have you finished your homework?
Not yet.
Let's work on it together.
I need help with English.
I'll explain it to you.
Thanks, Mom. You're a great teacher.
It's time to prepare dinner.
I'm hungry again.
Growing children need healthy food.
Dinner looks amazing.
Let's eat together.
This is very delicious.
After dinner, we should clean the kitchen.
I'll wipe the table.
That's helpful.
We work together again.
Yes, teamwork is important in a family. Let's spend some time talking.
I have a fun day today.
What was your favorite part?
Going to the market with you.
I enjoyed that too.
Family times make me happy.
Before bedtime, let's check the doors and windows.
What? Why is that important?
It keeps our home safe.
Everything looks secured.
Good. Safety always comes first. Time to brush your teeth again.
I remember.
That's good.
Cleaning teeth help prevent cavities.
Exactly. You're learning healthy habits. It's almost bedtime.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, my dear son.
Thank you for spending the day with me.
I always enjoy our time together. Sleep well and have sweet dreams.
I will.
Tomorrow is another wonderful day.
I'm excited for tomorrow already.
Rest well, dear.
Mom, what did we learn today?
We learned good habits, responsibility, and kindness.
We also learned to help others.
That's right.
I will practice these habits every day.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Mom. I love you.
I love you too, my son.